सो दोस्तों हम लोग इस चैनल पे एक नई वीडियो सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं विच इज़ कॉल्ड योर गार्डन, इन विच वी विल कम एंड फिल्म योर गार्डन एंड फीचर इट ऑन आवर चैनल एंड शोकेस ऑल द इंटरेस्टिंग एलिमेंट्स विच आर अ पार्ट ऑफ योर गार्डन। ये वाली वीडियो जो आप देखने जा रहे हैं मैंने केरला में फिल्म की थी एंड ऑब्वियसली वी विल फिल्म फ्यूचर एपिसोड्स एज इन व्हेन इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू, बट आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट गेटिंग दिस स्टार्टेड। सो येस, ओवर टू केरला एंड अ होम स्टे ओवर देयर। मैं एक्चुअली केरला का टूर कर रही थी काफ़ी दिनों से एंड टुडे हैपेंस टू बी वन ऑफ माई लास्ट डेज, बट थ्रू आउट माई टूर मैंने एक चीज़ बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंटली यहाँ पे नोटिस की है एंड दैट इज़ दैट everybody's house over here has a garden. So I'm currently at one of my homestays in Alleppey, and at this homestay I noticed how well the garden around has been curated. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ बहुत परफेक्टली प्लेस्ड है, बट बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे जो मुझे देखने में बहुत अच्छी लगी है। कैसे यहाँ पे सब कुछ रीयूज़ किया गया है, प्लास्टिक को रीयूज़ किया गया है, बीच में जो कचरा होता है उसको रीयूज़ किया गया है एंड बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट करके इस गार्डन को बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली क्यूरेट और मेंटेन किया गया है। So what you see behind me is actually Alappuzha beach. मैं अभी Alleppey में हूँ and let me show you the proximity of my homestay to the beach. So we are going to walk down these stairs and the homestay Lemon Dew is right here. I have Sanil over here with me, who is the owner of this house and is running this really beautiful property. So I do recommend that you come and stay over here.
Bougainvillea.
Yeah.
Then plan to maybe one big arches in here. Then I'm planning actually the 4 months ago.
Yeah.
There's already is grown the flowers. There are also other side is big trees now.
In 4 months, just 4 months, it's already grown so tall.
I'm very careful and care and everything.
Yeah.
It's my babies.
So Sanil was just explaining to me that because of the proximity to the ocean over here, it's very difficult to grow plants because there's a lot of salt water splashes that comes on all these plants, right? So he takes great care of these plants. So as soon as you enter, there's a blue gate in the front. Enter, there's this tree, and there was also a bird nest over here. How long back was this?
2 months ago they will grown up and left.
Okay.
The two type. The one woodpecker.
Yeah.
One is a green.
Okay. How nice. It's when you have a garden, there are birds and butterflies which automatically flock here. And what kind of plants are you growing around this tree? What is this plant? It's like similar to Syngonium to me.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. But also
Money plants. Different money plants.
Yeah, correct. And I think we also have a lot of papaya trees over here. How many papaya trees do you
I
have?
have more than 30-45 papaya trees, always the grown up and everything. Then some papaya trees already in papayas.
Okay.
You can see there's so many papaya trees in
Wow,
here.
okay. This is something that I find very interesting actually. This is actually what is this called? This wood?
Wood, rough wood.
Rough wood. It's like a wood cutting.
Yeah, I collecting it to the sea.
Oh, it's collected from the sea.
See.
And how have you grown plants inside here?
Put it.
So how do you protect these plants from seawater?
Then very care and waters and also some in here the
Fertilizer.
Yeah.
Fertilizer. Medicine also.
Medicine.
I see some bananas growing over there. See banana tree. We also have some mini bananas. Are they edible right now or do we have to wait some?
Wait 2 more months.
2 more months. Here I see that there are also some papayas on this tree. Lots of big papayas. Do you also have to add fertilizer to this for papayas?
I plan to also maybe kind of always the papaya trees maybe more than 20-30 papayas.
Wow. Okay.
Plant.
So you want to make this into a papaya orchard?
Papaya and plan to breakfast with the guest for the papayas.
Oh.
People say no possibility rice in the beach grown up. I will grow up. Things.
What we see over here is actual rice because Sanil has managed to grow rice over here, whereas people say that it's not possible, but
In the
he
beach
has made
area.
it possible in the beach area, but he has made it possible with a lot of love and respect and care for these plants. Amazing.
Thai papaya.
This is a Thai papaya. How did you get the seed?
And somebody give it to gift for the plant.
And now it's a full-on tree. Oh, I find this side very interesting. I wanted to ask you about it. So we have hanging plants and we have some coconuts. How have you made this?
This is I collecting with the beach.
Oh, you've collected this from the beach.
There
Is this the
are
coconut
coconut
for
drink,
water?
Yeah, coconut drink.
And how did you make this, the wood and the coconut?
Then I just behind the needle like.
Oh, so creative, and there are nice plants coming out of it. Do plants grow in these small spaces also?
Yes, it's possible. This is grown up.
But of course, you have to take great care of it.
Take care of
This is a good idea actually. I think I want to do it in my house also. Collect some of these coconuts, जो coconut water के लिए use होते हैं, and then just use the top of it and put some soil inside it.
Soil.
Okay, this is a very creative idea. I like the hanging pots also. Did you make this macrame?
And make it myself.
Oh,
All rough food I collecting from in the beach. I plan to something creative.
oh. So does this just wash over on the beach?
In the beach I collecting with the good things.
Okay, on top over here.
This is passion fruit. Maybe already they will start with the passion fruit. This is big.
Oh, this is a very small passion fruit. Passion fruit, right?
Yeah, just passion fruit.
Okay. And we see that some of it is growing. Did you add this net for all climbers? Oh yes, yes, I see it. And where are the roots of it over there?
Yeah.
So over there we have the roots, and now it's growing all the way over this net that's on the top. And I also really like this plant, which is my favorite because it grows in my house also. The almenda vine. The almenda vine. And if you sit on the terrace on the top, you can actually see all the almenda flowers all around. Do you plan on growing it
Yeah.
all around?
Oh, yes, myself.
And what is this plant?
This also with the passion fruit.
Okay.
And soon is a full passion fruit is covering with the yellow flowers.
Oh, you're also growing a lot of cactus over here. Do you like cactus?
I like the cactus. I'm just collecting with this different.
Yeah,
cactus.
that's a snake plant. What kind of a cactus is this?
I'm no idea for the name. This is a difference.
Yeah.
I'm no idea for the name.
Okay.
The characters in it. They will
But
speak
you
about
like-
Malayalam.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You know the name in Malayalam. All right, no problem. Oh, this is so nice. Is this a traditional door?
The traditional door from very old door, maybe more than 40 years old.
Wow.
Then I collect it.
Where did you get this from?
Like the black market in the sale it with the second hood. They are also from antiques.
This is all antique.
Yeah.
Very beautiful stones actually, and they look like waterfall material. You could actually build a waterfall also around it, I think. So these are water plants.
Yeah.
Oh, and do you need to water them every day for them to grow?
African plants also they will coming from Africa actually. These
Ooh,
plants in
Okay. Do they? Can
Before
I pick them
this
up?
one actually using with the long time ago people using with the
Masala.
masala.
Oh, right.
These things. I changed it because now it's mixie and grinders
Yeah,
everybody.
yeah.
That nobody don't use. I using with the decoration and because memories for the.
Oh, this is very beautiful.
They
actually. I
also
wish-
make it with the mav from dosha.
Oh, okay. This
Like
is
yeah.
very beautiful. Can I pick this up in the hand like the flower plant?
Sure.
Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. I love it. This is very beautiful. Let's put this back. Very beautiful plants that you've got. Nice collection. Okay, look at this. We have the stone way which is leading all the way to the open shower. And lots of plants around here also. This is what all plants? Again, some climbers, I think.
Yeah, so many money plants and different kind of money plants. 2 or 3 type money plants in here. The hanging plants.
Yeah. And you've also, I see, recycled a lot of plastic here.
Yeah,
Like this is
they are all collecting from the beach.
Oh, this is all from the beach. So this is all recycled
They're
from the
recycling.
beach.
There are
Amazing.
also papayas in here.
Can I also pick
Yeah,
this
sure.
up and show this? Again, collected from the beach and made into a decorative item, a plant, which is growing so beautifully in here. I love how this is collected from the beach and made into something so creative and artistic. I would love to pick this up and show it. Yeah, please tell us about how you clean the beach.
Because proper nobody don't responsibility for the beach. Because I have a responsibility. So my front side is a beach in the sea face. Then I go and clean with the plastic and clean with the very good and everything. bottle, plastics, and everything rubbish. Because the people coming, the outside people, also tourists and everything, they will drink and leave their food and eat. They will throw it and everything. I just clean and everything. This bottle from actually fisherman netting bottle.
Yeah, it's a very good idea. I think we also get oil bottles which
Oil
look like
bottle,
this.
yeah.
So instead of throwing those oil bottles, you can actually make them into very nice looking pots. I think they look amazing also, and good way of recycling. Oh, papaya again. So can we safely say that papaya is your favorite fruit?
The favorite food, my papaya. This papaya from actually from Tamil Nadu.
So-
Somebody give it to the seed,
The
then
seed.
I plant it. They're from
Oh.
Thai papaya and Tamil Nadu papaya, Kerala papaya. You see, with the papaya is actually more than 3 kgs, like big sizes.
Oh, okay. It's more than 3 kgs.
Yeah, it's a banana tree,
Banana tree.
and behind 2-3 papayas.
You
This is
have
also
so many
papaya tree.
trees already. I also see that there's some ajwain growing in the back. So this is like a spice, right?
Yeah,
ajwain.
spice. Yeah.
We call it ajwain. I don't know what do you say it, but this is like ajwain plant. I also have only one in my house, but very interesting. Amazing. Look at how that thermos kettle also has a plant on top of it. I'm loving all these ideas of recycling. What is this?
For the clay and mix with the
Oh, to prepare-
vegetables and everything.
Okay, to prepare soil
Yes.
basically. This rake is so interesting. It's all connected to a wood piece. Wow. Okay, we are in the back side of the building now, and even in the back side there are some very beautiful plants. Sanil was just explaining to me how he plans on putting these in the front eventually, but currently they're hanging in the back because they're growing. And for growing them, he's put some vegetables and some peels inside these pots. Like I can see pineapple peel and papaya peel over here. To act as manure. This is a very good idea for adding manure to your plants actually. In another section of the house, it's actually the front porch of the house, and over here there are a lot of plants which are growing in pots
Pots
in different kinds of. Where did you collect all these pots?
from Cochin, Alapi, and everywhere.
Okay.
Different.
And this pot is also a clay pot.
Clay pot.
Yeah, but I love how it's decorated with a lot of seashells over here and a little cactus growing. Again, these seashells are from this beach only.
In the beach, Alapi beach.
Alapi beach. So we have some nice looking decorative plants also over here. So how long did it take for you to grow all of these plants?
This more than 8 months. It's a lockdown. Have a good time
Yeah.
in here. Lockdown, nothing about. Still food, eat food, and grow up with the plants and care about the plants.
Yeah. This is lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for showing us your garden. Actually, whatever I've shown you is a very small part of the garden. There are so many sections in this garden with lots of plants. The ledge over here of the building has nice plant spots. Different corners have different good-looking decorative plants. In fact, the terrace also has tons of plants, lots of nice flowers, and we have papaya, we have bananas, we have cactus over here, an open shower area, and so many different sections which I can keep going on and on and on about. And in conclusion, I think I love the way that everything has been decorated over here, and Sanil has done such a good job of managing growing all these plants by the beach with salt and salt wind blowing all over these plants, and also keeping them in a very nice and decorated way and taking care of them in general, and at the same time recycling so much stuff. I can't even get started on how many recycled items I see over here. Thank you so much, Sanil,
Welcome.
for showing us your garden. And please guys, come and stay at Lemon Dew Homestay if you're here in Alapi. It's a lovely place and you'll get to see all of these plants in person. I will mention the Instagram and all contact details
Yeah,
in the
sure.
description box below, and you can contact Sanil and come stay here for your Alapi visit as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.